Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we are going to see sales bar chart with the difference, and we use this table of the sales for 2 years, 2020 and 2021, and we'll have this dynamic chart that shows the positive change with green color and negative change with red color compared to the previous years. So if I change the data, it will actually show that dynamism. Can you see this one here? In December, if I make it 700, for example, yeah, now it's red compared to the previous year. So that is how we are going to see today. So it is very dynamic and important chart for sales tracking. So I'll come to it. Just before discussing today's topic, let me say a few things about Get Data Solution. Get Data Solution is a channel that provides dashboard and other data management tools, and its purpose is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, as well as to learn new skills. So let's come back to today's topic. Here we have sales performance for 2 years, and here we have used this additional column to just construct the chart. So here is the data for each month displayed for 2 years. The first one is for 2020, and the next one is for 2021. So the sales performance of 2001 has actually grown by 37% compared to that of the previous, which means 2020. And this in the month of January. For February again, it has actually increased by 10.5%. For March, it has actually decreased by 33.3%. In 2020, it was 840 for March, and for 2001 it is 560. Yeah, this one. So we'll get generally very dynamic chart where we can actually have sales performance showing us our performance of sales in a very dynamic way. So I'll come back to explanation. Here it has also got the instruction. The instructions says the following, but the important thing, if there are positive changes, it's actually indicated by green color. If there is a negative change, it's indicated by red color. This template has also different benefits. Among that is it is easy and convenient to enter the data. It automatically updates sales. It automatically generates sales performance. Automatically generates sales chart and achievement by month, and many more advantages as indicated here. And this template is can be used by different actors. The first one is sales manager can use it, sales team or salesperson can use it, business organization can use, business owners, booksellers, stationery owners, and small business owners can use this template. So let's come back to the detail of the data here. If we observe the performance just simply from the table, it doesn't show us many things. So, but if you just look into the chart here, we can simply judge that the performance of our sales performance for January, for February, for August, for September, for November and December is positive, where it has actually grown from here 37%, 12 by 12.5%, by 10.5%, by 16%, by 9% and 15%. Whereas for the other months, March decreased by 33%, for April by 5.6%, for May by 4.7%, and so on. So if you simply observe this graph, the maximum growth or in percentage change is in January, which is 37%. Okay, and the maximum drop is in October, which is 35.7%. So this is very dynamic. If we change the data, we can actually have different figures and dynamism. Let's change some of the data and see the result. At the moment for October here we have 700 and 450 in the next year. So for October, here is the data by 5.7%. If the 2021 sales is, let's say 900, if I make it 900, yeah, it's automatically changed to green, showing here the change over the previous year is 22.2%. So this is very dynamic. If I make, for example, for September again, if I make it 450, the second year, yeah, it has actually shown by decreased by 10%. So that is very dynamic and used to make informed decision. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. Here is the reason why you should subscribe. You'll get different tools and dashboard that will actually help you to manage your business, to manage your project, to manage your work, to automate your activity, to increase your productivity, and to learn new skills, as well as to make informed decision. So please consider subscribing to our channel, and I hope you have enjoyed today's topic, which we have seen sales performance using bar chart that shows percentage change compared to the previous year. In this particular case, we have seen the data for 2020 and 2021, where the difference is actually clearly shown here by percentage compared to the previous years. I hope you have enjoyed it, and please share this template to people who are actually engaged in sales. And thank you very much, and bye bye.